All right, so you guys may be wondering what's been going on with the silver JZX90.
This show's been going downhill since season 3.
We finally got the work emotions in stock. Oh yeah, side note, I may or may not have forgotten to mention this. These are gonna be a tight fit. JZX90s aren't the whitest bodies. What we have here are the work ZR10s in Glim Black, staggered 18.5, 18.8.5, both plus 38 offset. And aside from that, we also got the tires in stock. So we've got some Advan Apex V601, 225s in the front and 255s in the rear. We also got some fresh R40 lug nuts, thanks to Eddie at Group S, and some new black center caps. Now let's go ahead and unbox these babies. Go ahead and get inside and get these nerds and see what they think about these. Let's go get them. Let's go, we gotta go look at the wheels. Oh no. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Did you have your coffee?
No.
You stole all the coffee. I don't think there's any coffee left on the plant. I love it.
No, that's
what's cool was it's got this little...
It's got a lip protector. The front though.
Those are the front.
I know. It's close.
It's pretty freaking close.
It's still only a little bit of a stretch compared to, remember the Hucko?
Oh, that's not a bad stretch at
No,
all.
it's a little bit.
Why did we go so stretched on this? What was the decision?
Fitment.
Diameter.
Oh, because of the fitment in the car?
So in perspective to what the car has on it now, it has 24.9 all around. These are slightly taller, but if I go slightly bigger on the front, then we have an issue like we do with the NSX, where the front is taller than the back and nobody liked it.
They look sick. They look really sick.
We could always change this tire later, but it is going to change the rake of the car because then it'll raise the front like 3/4 of an inch if I go one side.
You know I like cars sitting a little higher in the front.
But nobody else likes it.
I can't help it if you guys have no taste. I don't like this thing. I don't
No,
So
this
you
is
like
square.
front-wheel
drive cars.
No, the difference is...
Oh, so you like trucks?
No,
Yeah, I
the
like
difference
trucks.
is that
Dogs like trucks.
this is a square diameter, so now the ride height is adjusted by suspension, not by tire.
Yeah, right.
So this is the same diameter front to back. We level out the suspension and drop the back, it's suspension only, not tire. Alright, let's get these out.
And wait, did you say it did, I
have center caps, and I have lug nuts. Sweet.
yeah.
I didn't want to prepared.
I mean,
So don't take these out.
Okay, fine. I know.
Because if we need to take them off and sell them...
I love taking these off. Some people love leaving them on, and I hate it because the stickers in the middle of the tread stay on for like a long, long time. He doesn't have to worry about it because he just does burnouts until they come off.
You're just gonna slap it on arbitrarily? Like,
Thank you! What do you mean? It's lined up with the work emotion. Get out of here.
Have any of us driven on these tires? I have not. I have no personal experience on these.
the hardtop Supra when we got it.
What did you think of them?
Silent.
Quiet?
I mean, that car was bone stock.
Wait, what did we put on the Fast and Furious Super again?
These
Yeah,
tires.
that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we haven't driven them.
Oh.
Let's get these fitted on this silver JZX90. This looks sick. This thing looks pretty sick actually. All right, so as you can see, we got the 18.5s in the back, 18 8.5s on the front. Tires are mounted. The car is ride height adjusted. Probably use a 5mm spacer up front. Maybe, maybe not. Rear looks awesome. What's up, guys? We're gonna go ahead and get started and try to figure out some exhaust tones. So we're gonna start by removing that rear muffler section, start it up, see what that sounds like, and then we'll go ahead and figure out what we need to order. It's just gonna rest there. So we got the first part of the rear section unbolted. We're gonna go ahead and lower the car down so we can see what it sounds like coming from this middle section. Alright, shut it off. We just want a little bit more noise and keep it subtle. We're just gonna do full 3-inch piping, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to get a tip similar in shape to this one so we can get it back centered in the hole. It is ready to go, so let's head on over to Atlas Muffler and get that custom exhaust installed. Alright guys, we'll see you over at Atlas Mufflers. So we're getting the car up on the lift and they're gonna go ahead and see what they can build for us. We're not doing anything too spicy, too crazy, no titanium, no crazy stainless, and just really start enjoying this car. It just needs a better exhaust note. Here you can see the new custom 3.5-inch rolled edge and slant cut tip. And you have the piping down there. What we ended up doing was a MagnaFlow chambered muffler. It is a catback system. All right, first impressions here. Okay, this sounds really good. Better than I expected. Listen. Let's get this over to the shop and show the guys what this sounds like. Oh my god, this thing sounds sick. Woo. Oh my god, this is awesome. I hope they like it. This sounds so clean. Wow. Better than I expected. Let's give this a good old-fashioned rip down the street. Oof, those JZ noises. Woo! Damn, that sounds so good. Alright, so that's going to do it for the JZX90, this silver one for now. The simple street car. It looks good, it sounds good, and it rides great. So we'll see you guys on the next one.